angels, happy monsoon everyone. Here it started raining in Mumbai, so thought to do this waterproof makeup tutorial. Oh yeah, you girls can also wear this for your pool party. If you wanna know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with my The Body Care Primer, this stuff is amazing. It makes your skin smooth and minimize the pores. I'm applying this to my nose area, forehead and cheeks. After that, I'm using new L'Oreal Infallible Foundation 24 Hours Fight Makeup Meltdown. This is my most favorite foundation at the moment. I'm in the shade Vanilla if you guys wondering. Guys, if you want a full review on this, let me know in the comment box. Here I'm using a dotting method to apply this and buffing it with my Real Technique buffing brush. Now it's time for concealing my under eye circles and some dark spot which I have on my cheeks. This concealer is from Kryolan and yeah, it's waterproof. Now I'm spraying few pumps of MAC's Fix Plus. It will set my makeup base and will make it more long lasting. Let it get soaked up and dry out completely so that we can go ahead. Now I'm applying powder on my face. This is translucent powder from Kryolan. Let's make it more fun by adding Inglot kajal as liner. Yeah girls, no winged eyeliner today, so you don't need to be perfect. Now I'm applying black kajal from Colorbar. Guys, make sure that the kajal which you are using is waterproof, otherwise smudging this kajal little bit from smudger brush from Colorbar as well to give it a smokier look. Finishing my eye look with this Maybelline waterproof mascara. Make sure you apply generous coat of this to get those perfect long lashes. Cream blushes are water resistant and they last longer. I'm using Maybelline Dream Touch blush in 05 and applying this to my cheeks. Here I'm lining my lips with this lip liner from Stars. First I'm mapping out my lip shape and filling them in. Using lip liner before lipstick will make it last longer. Here I am using liquid lipstick which dries out completely matte. It is from Miss Claire Soft Lip Cream range. Guys, this product is a dupe and half of the price of NYX Cosmetics, so do check it out. Hello my angel, I hope you like this makeup tutorial. Most of the products which I use in this makeup tutorial are from drugstore or else you can easily find out anywhere in India. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da!